Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out a great project for the Arch users. It is called ARISER project, that is Arch Linux plus Alice. So all the Arch users have faced problems with the installation of the Arch ISO sometime in their say start of the journey with Arch Linux, and many of the new users will like to have minimum issues while installing the Arch ISO for the first time. So this project is for those kind of new users who would like a hassle-free installation of the Arch Linux on their systems. So this is the web page of the ARISER project, https://ariser.eu. So you can download the ISO. They have prepared the ISO, so you can use that ISO to install pure Arch on your systems without any hassle. So you can see some images are there to show how the desktop looks after installation from the ARISER ISO. This is the home of the Alice project, and this is the home of the ARISER project. So the selling points of Alice are: we trust on the knowledge of developer of Alice, an easy and fast way to install Arch Linux. It is unattended, automated and pre-configured. So you have to do nothing. You have to just start the ISO. All the installation steps are automated, and the desktop is also pre-configured. And in the ARISER ISO, on the other hand, we trust in a team of developers from the Arch Linux. We trust the Arch ISO and its railing settings. We can build the ISO anytime or reuse it. We can get the latest Alice changes in via Git pull. So if you use the ARISER ISO, you will get the changes done to the Alice via the Git pull. So the Git will be installed and it will be pulling the change in configs time to time. The XFCE4 is the default desktop. You can change to GNOME, Plasma, Mate, Cinnamon, LXDE, i3WM, Deepin, Budgie, Epsom, BSPWM, Qtile, LeftWM, Dusk and many other desktops. Any desktop can be installed in less than 4 minutes. Fastest installation time of Arch Linux and XFCE4 desktop is just 129 seconds. You can even build your own ARISER ISO, download the standard ISO and test it out, and then you can make changes to the ISO and make your own ARISER ISO. So first, the installation steps for installing Arch, pure Arch Linux desktop out of the ARISER ISO is to download the ARISER ISO and boot up. On the boot up, you can start the installation of the ARISER ISO using this Alice command. So you have to type the Alice in the terminal, not terminal, in the TTY console. So when you boot up, the TTY console will start, then you have to type Alice and enter. Now you will have an Arch Linux with XFCE. You can stop here or you can continue with the optional steps. After rebooting, you will get the Nemesis scripts. Those are optional. If you remember, we have seen this Nemesis scripts and the Nemesis repo in Arco Linux. So that is the same Nemesis script and Nemesis repo that will be also available here. You can type in terminal after the installation of Arch Linux with XFCE is completed. Get -nemesis -on -ariser. Run the script 0 current choices.sh. That is this. It is a script from the Nemesis folder in the data folder. It is optional, so you have to run this script. That's it. So it will install the Nemesis repo on your Arch Linux desktop. So here you can see the Eric Dubois video is there, how to install even faster and better using scripts. So you can watch it. There are some screenshots of the different desktops and the Windows Manager that can be installed using the ARISER ISO. So you can take a good look at all these pictures. I will leave the link of this ARISER project web page for you. And at the bottom, they have shown how to build your own ARISER ISO. You will have to click on the ARISER code. Then you can create your own GitHub project online and copy paste our code in your project. Later you can make small changes when you start experimenting. So you can do small changes to the scripts, the installation scripts and other config scripts of the ISO. So then you start doing small things and later grow to bigger things, and then you can have a completely new Arch Linux based distribution also. So everything depends on your skills and your love for Arch Linux. So you can change the GitHub reference to yours in the build script in the ARISER Arch ARISER. So at around line 170, you can see the video how to do it. Change the content of alice.configuration and the alice-packages.configuration and always push it to your GitHub. So the code will get pushed from the Alice or the ARISER GitHub to your GitHub, and from time to time compare your content with the content of Alice project. You can see this article. So everything that you require to build your own ISO is given here. So you have, for example, there are some 3-4 links are there. How to create an encrypted system, how to create your personal ISO, how to add your other desktops to the ARISER ISO. So how to install LXD with Linux LTS kernel, install Cinnamon on ext4 on QEMU. QEMU, that means the virtual machine. How to edit files in the live environment, procedure, install the ISO, that is the ARISER ISO, build the ISO. So everything is given. You have to just watch this videos showing you how to do the configurations, and then you can practice it. You can practice it 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, 30 times till you become an expert in configuration, and then you can build your own ISO. And there is a playlist for all ARISER YouTube videos. You can watch this. And this should not be very surprising for you, because we have already covered a part of building your own ISO. So if you remember, we had done few videos earlier in the Arco Linux series where you can build your Arch ISO using there was just a moment. We will go to the playlist. I will show you. Yes, there is this Arco Linux learning path. In that path, I have shown you there are some videos. I will show you. Yes, we will open this. Yes, we had done this video, how to build your system using Carly and Pacman. So this is similar, very similar process. So you can watch these videos early, before you start with the ARISER project. So this will be helpful for you. Then installation of the customized Arch ISO, that is Carly, introduction to the customized Arch Linux ISO, that is Carly. You can install Arch Linux using CalMX installer, that is also available in Arco Linux. So these all things you have to watch first, and then you approach the ARISER project. Otherwise, it will be little difficult. If you have knowledge of these videos that I have done, it will be very easy for you to create your own ARISER ISO. Otherwise, it will take some more time. You can see here the Nemesis repository that we installed. Install software from the Pacman Nemesis repository, enable Nemesis repository in Arco. That Nemesis repository is same that is found in the ARISER ISO also. So watch this video series, that is the Arco Linux learning path. You will get fantastic knowledge, and then you can continue with the this ARISER project. So with this, I will stop the introduction of the ARISER project. See you in the next video. I have already downloaded the ARISER ISO. So we can start with the installation of the Arch Linux using the ARISER ISO in the next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.